Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this amazing video, I came with a new amazing JavaScript project. So before that, I have uploaded many videos regarding JavaScript. So here is no one more JavaScript project. So here the name of project is agecalculator. You can see here in my web page agecalculator title here above. So we can calculate our age by entering our this date of birth, when you birth, and till what date you want to calculate your age. So it will show your age. Here is the calculate button, and here is the title. Here you can increase the date also, and we can type also, and here you can select your months Jan to December, and here also you can type your date of birth year, and you can increase also. So here also we can increase our date, and here also we can change our months in date to which you want to calculate. And see, when I click on it, this down border button will color will change. See, when I click this, it become sky color. See, you can see when I click on this, it become this color changes. See, so here is the button calculate with beautiful hover effect and this horizontal line, and in this down I have taken a div. Here I have taken you are 0 years, month, date, year, days, hours, second. It will show how many seconds, hour, days and years you are. Let me write my date of birth 6 Feb 2002, and I want to calculate today date. I think 31 December. Yeah, so 31 December I will type the date, today date 2022. So here is my date of birth, and here the today date. I want to know how many years, month, days, hours, my age. So when I click on this button calculate, so see, when I click on this calculate button, it show that you are 20 years old, 10 months and 25 days. Means I am 20 years, 10 months and 25 days old. Here it's showing 250 months old. Means here it's showing 20 years, 10 months and 25 days old. I am my from my birth date. So here it's showing 250 months old, means 1 year equal to how much month? 1 year equal to 12 months. So here 20 years means how many months? 240 months into 1 year 12 months. So 20 years 240 months, and here 10 months. So 240 plus 10, total 250 months I am old. So then I have taken here 25 days total. So in 1 year 365 days. In that leap year also be calculated. So here 365 days, and in 11 month days, and this add both of three of them will add here, means 7625 days old I am. So here is the hours, and here is the second. this much second I am old. So like this we can calculate our age in years, month, days, hours and second also. So this is my favorite amazing JavaScript project. So to make this I use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So hope you guys like the demo of my projects. So please like the video, share and subscribe my channel. So come to our VS Code. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So now come to our HTML file. Here I have taken the basic structure of my HTML file, and in this I have taken age calculator title, and then I have taken a link tag. In this I have linked my CSS file, and then I have taken a script tag script.js for linking my JS file. So now in body tag I have taken id container in a div. So in this div I have taken a span tag, and here it is enter date of birth. You can see here enter date of birth. So now here is the break tag, so it will print in next line. So here in input tag I have taken one, and in type should be number, and birthday id minute equal to 1, maximum 30. So 31, sorry 31. So minimum means here I have taken input tag and it should be number, means I have taken the months, days, sorry days. In 1 month it's maximum 31 days and minimum 1 days. So for that in 1 month I have taken 1 days minimum and 31 days maximum. So that you can type and select. So here then I have taken the placeholder day, the 20th day, 5th day, which day you have born. For that then I have taken the select tag, and in this I have taken id birth month. So now we'll see birth month. So here I have given the option tag, and in this I have given value 1 2 3 to 12. So in 1 year it's 12 months totally. So here I have taken Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All these options I have taken. So I will show you here. See, when I click on it, it will show these options to select which month you are born. So now out of this select tag, we have taken one more input tag. In this type should be number, and birth year I have taken. So here you can enter your birth year. Then I have taken placeholder year. So you can type your year. So which year you were born. So now after this I have taken a span tag with date to be calculated, to which date you want to calculate your age. So for that I have taken this heading date of which you have calculated in a span tag. So after this I have taken a input tag, and type should be number, and till what date you want to calculate it. So minimum here also I have taken the days 1 day and maximum 31, 1 in 1 month 31 days maximum. So for that same thing I have written here also, and then I have taken select tag, and in this I have calculate month. So here you can calculate our month, and similarly like above I have taken this option tag, and in this I have taken the option. So this in this I have taken value 1 2 3 to 12, and this Jan, Feb, May, these options. So here also I have taken these options. So in date to be calculated, in this also I have taken. I'll show you one thing. When I refresh on it, it's showing Jan and January. So I'll show you it. So here it's showing default Jan. Here it's showing default Jan. See here it's showing, when I refresh on it, it will show default Jan. Now here in date which we have to calculate, in this I have taken selected. This selected, so means it will show the August month automatically. When I changes to this selected, let me cut this and I May. In May I'll give selected and I'll save. Come to our code. See it's showing now May. So we have, means when anyone come to our page, it will show May here as a default value. So like that. So out of this select tag I have taken input type number and date, calculate year, at what year you want to calculate, and placeholder I have taken year and value 2019 I have taken. So I'll show you, it's showing default value 2019. When I refresh on it, it will show 2019 default value. When I change it to 2020, it will show 2020. See showing, and this is called placeholder. He is showing year, day. See day here in background, and I click on it, placeholder will disappear. So this is called placeholder. So after this I have taken a button tag and id button btn, and in this on click event I have taken, it is embedded in javascript and this calculate function. So we'll write a function. When we click on calculate button, it will calculate our age. So here p tag result and wrong. So here is our p tag with id result and wrong. I'll show you one thing. Wrong means, see when I refresh on it, and I have not given the values here, year, days. When I click on calculate, it will show please fill the required information. So without filling you can't calculate. So when I type C, a random number, but our days is 31 maximum, so it will on calculate. Let me show. See DOB is invalid, date of year is invalid, it's showing. So it's invalid, so put a correct information. So now we'll style our age calculated project. Web page I have taken box sizing border box, and in body tag I have taken a background color. So I'll change it to background color code like this, so it will be easy for you guys. So now I've taken the id container. Here I'll show you id container. Here is our id container. So for styling that, I've taken with 340 pixel and padding 20 pixel from top and bottom and 20 pixel from left and right. The margin auto, margin top 100 vh, and a box shadow I have taken, and then I have taken the background white, and margin from bottom I have taken margin bottom 50 pixel and border radius 10 20 10 20 I have taken from all these sides. So now For select this select tag, here is our select tag in our input tag. So for that I have taken width 80 pixel, padding 8 pixel, and outline should be none, and border should be none, and a border bottom 1 pixel solid. Then now I have taken the select tag again. So here I have taken the background color white. So now here is the ID btn. I'll show you the ID btn where it is. Yeah, here my ID btn. So for that button styling I have taken 8 pixel from top and bottom and 12 pixel from left and right padding, and then font size I have taken 15 pixel, and color of text I have taken white, and background color code I have taken this, and border none, and font weight bold, outline none, and border radius I have taken 5 pixel. So now when we hover on our button, the background color changes to this. I'll convert it into hex code. So here now in wrong ID I have taken font weight bold, and color of the text this. Now in a span tag I have taken this color code and font weight bold and 18 pixel font size. Then I have taken in result, here is the result ID. In this I have taken 1.5 second line height and padding 20 pixel, and background color code, and a border from left. This I have taken, and input focus. We focus on input and click on it. The border bottom will be 3 pixels solid with this color, and outline none. So I have shown you before also. When I click on this input button, see its border button become this. See when I click here, its border bottom changes. So now for scripting, so here is my JavaScript file. So in JavaScript file I have taken the function calculate. See here calculate function. So now we'll write the function for it. In this I have taken variables birth date, b month means birth year, b year means birth year, c day, c month, c year, c day, month, year, months, days, hours, minutes, second, and a comma b to variable. So to get date of birth value, now user will put the date of birth value and will get by b day. So here birth date will get number dot document dot get element by id birthday. So here is our birthday id. I'll show you. Here is our input. In input birthday id, so we're getting dot value, whatever the value will user give, that way take. So similarly for month also, whatever user will get will take birth month dot value, and whatever the year user will give will take birth year dot value by selecting their id. Here birth year id, here is a birth month, birth year id. So like that we are calling and selecting that. So get the date value, calculated date value, till what date you want to calculate. So now user will put in till what date it will calculate. So before we have put enter date of birth, now we'll enter our date to be calculated, till what date we want to calculate. So now we for calculated day in variable will get the number calculated date dot value. We are getting the value whatever user is input. So like that in month we have selected our id calculated month dot value, and similarly for year also calculated year dot value, whatever the value user will give we are taking by selecting the id and it should be in number form. So now calculating our year, how we can calculate our year. So if here I have taken if tag, here is the condition: if calculated year is greater than birth year, then year equal to calculated year minus birth year. Means if now your birth year is less and calculated year is more, so we can subtract and then calculate the year. Then document dot get element by id dot birth year dot style border bottom. Here for styling 1 pixel solid, and so birth year styling, so here it should be empty. Sorry, here I have taken this, let me, yeah, now border bottom I take 1 pixel solid, and birth year we have taken. Now get element dot wrong. When it will be wrong, the inner HTML should be nothing. Means when will not give the value, that time wrong id will call. So here what wrong id do, color will be this red and bold. So let me check. Not this. 2022 2050. See here is our date of birth is greater than date of calculator. So here its border. See, before that I will show you 2000 I have taken. Now its border bottom is normal. When I give 2060, means the birth date is more than our calculated date. So this border bottom will become red. See, the border bottom become red, and this, please fill this for information. It's showing why, because we have not fill our information. So now document dot get element dot result dot style dot display should be block. So whatever the result will come, it will display in block. So if now in other else if condition, here if calculated year is equal to birth year, both are same, that time year will be 0. Let me show you. Calculated year also I have taken, and birth year also same, and I will select the some date, random date. When I calculate a, let me do short, it's showing it's wrong because it's equal, I think, yeah, its year is 0, so it's showing this wrong because it's wrong. So now for calculating month, so if our calculated month is less than birth month, means whatever the calculated month you have entered, that will be less than the birth month, that time the calculated month will be equal to calculated month plus 12, means in 1 year 12 months, so it will add 12 month. So now year will be -1, so year will decrease by 1. So now here the month will be C month minus B month, means calculated month minus birth month, means it will subtract to take the month, else otherwise month equal to calculated month minus birth month. So it will subtract and show you the result of how many months you have, age is. So now calculating day, if calculated day is less than birthday, then calculated day equal to 31 plus calculated, so it will increase the 31 days. So in 1 month maximum 31 days. So for that, if calculated day is less than birthday, so that time it will add 31 days. So and month will be subtracted by -1 and day become calculated day minus birthday. Otherwise, when it is not calculated, day is not less than birthday, so that time day equal to calculated day minus birthday. So now we'll convert it into months, years. So like that, so converting in months, so year into 12 means 1 year means 12 months. So whatever the year, 2 years, 3 years will multiply with 12, because in 1 year 12 months, so means 2 year means 12 months. It's 24 months, sorry, 24 months. So now, and whatever the month will come, it will add, means you are 2 year 2 months, so total months how much it will come. So 2 year and 2 months means 2 year means 24 months and 2 months extra is there, so 26 months. So like that you can calculate. So here is a equal to year into 365 for storing our year. So one 1 year equal 365. So for calculating day we are storing in variable a, and for calculating, see, in 1 month 30 days. So if 2 months, like that we are calculating for 30 days storing in b, so converting into days. So here the days a means how much days in 1 year, how much days, and in 1 month how much days, and plus how much days it's showing till what date. So for that it will add. Now for hours, how many days it you have calculated, means you have 300 days or 4000 days, that will multiply with 24 to convert into days into hours. Now converting into minute, eh, so it will multiply with second, 60 second into hours. So 1 hour equal to 60 seconds. So now for similarly for converting into second, minutes into 60 second, whatever the minutes will come, convert into seconds by multiplying 60. So now here is one more condition. If birth year is greater than calculated year, means whatever the calculated year you have put it, if it is less than the birth year, that time what it will happen. So it will calling the document dot get element by id birth year, style dot bottom dot 2 pixel solid red. So when I have shown you before also, when it is means 26 means not that much, 2080, when it is more, it's showing this red color border bottom, and here also showing dob is invalid, means it's not correct. So here it's wrong and it's invalid, and the border bottom become red, so showing that it's wrong. And that time year will be 0, month 0, day 0, month 0, hour, second, all will be 0. So now display should be none, so it will not display anything. So at that time, now for one more condition, if birth date is blank, birth year is blank, or birth or calculated day, any of, here is the or, or operator, here is the or operator. If any of one of this true, means if birth is empty, if birth year day is empty or calculated day is empty, then what will happen? That time we are calling our id wrong. That time please fill out the required information. So I'll show you. See, when I click it's empty, so it's showing please fill out this required information. So and that time display should be none, so it will not show or how many days and how many Yes, you have. So it displays that same. No. Then for result ID, see when eh, when we will fill all the details, means whatever details we need, when you will fill that time it will show you are, means how many year, months, days. Here see it show the calculated our months, and here is the string months. So see, means 60, here means month equal to 60, sorry, 12 months, means here will say 12, you are 9 months, like that. Your days old. So like that. Now in down it will show month equal to months plus these months old. So here it will show days. And see here one more thing, here is day, here is days. Here it's showing how many days, how many years you are now. Here is the days, means total days, means in one year how many days, month, total days is calculating. Here in day it's showing how many days till now, it month from this year. So in this month how many days you have, or old age is this. So for that, so here is the total days. I'll show you in our web page again. So like that for second also. So come to our web page, I'll show you once again, like 1 Jan 2022, and here is a 2 Jan 2022, means no, we'll write 2020, so it will show here also. When I click on calculate, it will show you are 1 year, 0 month, 1 day old. Here it's showing this 1 day, means now I am 1 day and 1 year old. And here that here is it, this much days, here is 366 days, means it's showing total days, means in 1 year 365 days, and here one more extra days, so it will show 366 days total. And here is the 12 months, means in 1 year 12 months, it's converting your age into months, years, sorry, whatever the age yours is converting into months, days, hours and second. So for that we have written here our code, how many months old, days old, second, hours, total it will show. So to make this amazing project, we have coded our project by HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So hope you guys like this project. Comment, share and subscribe us and support. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my project and watch my further projects which I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can go and check out. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.